everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I started with a different project, which was removing this 8x8, which you guys might have remember me mounting like a month or two ago. At this point, I don't even know. Anyways, it's a temporary, or it was a temporary box just to pull some wires out of the panel because this little guy up here was a little bit too small. So we set that one on the left, or I guess I set the one on the left. And today was the day that we removed it, which was also me. So I removed this box, my 8x8, and I put up this big Hoffman box. I don't know if that's the brand name or that's just I don't know what that stands for. But anyways, it's called a Hoffman box. I went ahead and put that up. I don't know if it's a 12x12 or 18x18, somewhere in between there. So I went ahead and mounted that, drilled the holes, mounted that to the wall, bent some 3/4 90s out of the top, and drilled the top of the Hoffman box, knocked out the knockouts in the side of the little 6x6 up there, whatever that one is above the panel, and got those in there. And if you're thinking that, hey, that you didn't straight up that coupling, just wait a second and you'll see that I did. So that was that. So this took about 2 hours, I believe. I did also help someone else at the beginning of the day with some circuit checking and stuff like that. So anyways, this got me till break time, and I did tighten up these screws right here, one on the top, one on the bottom, so I could access them. From there, after break, went ahead and worked with Steven, the legend, the man, the myth, the mad electrician. We pulled in some wires through the crazy box, and now the crazy box is finished, and we don't have to go back. So I'm really happy about that. So anyways, I finished up this, pulled our wire through, which you will see here in a second, from 2 different spots, and basically just tied the ground in where I left my ground pigtail before. So I don't have to splice any wires in there. We just pulled everything through except for the grounds. I tied that in. So that was really nice to get that finally done. And so we pulled that wire, which goes out the top, over here to the north, and that's on the left box, the right pipe. So tied that in here with circuit 22, red, white, red, and ground. And then there were some dimming wires that are just left in there right now for future or whatever. So went ahead and tied that in right there, made sure that was all locked out, tagged out, because that panel was hot and the circuit was off, but I wanted to make sure that it was done, or totally locked out, so I'm 100% safe, as always. And then that circuit goes to that left box, a middle box, or it goes to 2 or 3 boxes, and it feeds all the way to the end right here, which Steve had pulled through, so that was nice. So I made up this last box right here, which is all for the lighting, the hallway lighting and stuff like that, corridor lighting. And that ended off my day, so hopefully you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys back tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.